The innovation is hopping right now. I think it's great. It's where we want to be going. The big thing is that our company has grown substantially over the last 5 years, and it used to be sustainable when we were a little bit smaller, to have these pockets of the organization doing their own reporting, doing their own analytics, doing things in spreadsheets. But the reality is we need to grow, we need to keep growing, and we need to be able to scale our information. And we also need to be able to start having new ways to look at the business to make sure that we're growing in different ways. We had other BI tools out there. We have actually thousands of reports in some of our corporate owned tools right now. And the reality was we weren't getting adoption from them. So what we did is we identified organizations that really wanted to do this early onboarding of Tableau. It's been about 6 months now, and we have around 300 people onboarded in over 30 groups right now. We have 2 servers that we've implemented. I love that I'm already seeing a huge backlog of requests in terms of people wanting to start moving their stuff over into production and getting more eyes on it and getting more visibility to the solutions that they're building. And it's amazing just now that they're starting to experience information a different way, how much more they're requesting, hey, now I have all of these other things that I have never been able to really look at in this type of a way. They want more and more and more data visualizations, and really starting to push back from a business perspective on, I don't want this information coming in PowerPoints, I don't want it in spreadsheets anymore. This is the way that I want my business to start thinking about information. And I think a lot of that came from the ability for them to have the flexibility, and also the ability for them to kind of do the what if analysis without having to go through this long drawn out process of building the requirements, doing the design, and then by the time you do the implementation, what they were wanting and expecting has already become stale. New things. I know my business now, I know how we're measuring it today. They really want to push the envelope to use Tableau to give them new insights that they've never had before.